Introduction. When it comes to attraction, words matter far more than most men realize. A well-chosen compliment can instantly shift how a woman feels around you, not because of flattery, but because of the emotional impact behind the words. Psychology shows that women respond most deeply to compliments that make them feel seen, understood, and valued, not just admired for their looks. But most guys rely on generic praise that fades instantly and does nothing to build connection. In this guide, we break down 3 powerful psychology-backed compliments that go beyond surface-level attraction and create genuine emotional pull. Use them sincerely, and you'll stand out in a way most men never do. 1. Compliments about her personality, not just appearance. When it comes to making a woman genuinely feel seen, valued, and emotionally connected, compliments about her personality often matter more than anything you could say about her appearance. Physical compliments can feel nice in the moment, but they're everywhere. Most women hear them constantly, sometimes from people they barely know. Personality-based compliments, however, strike much deeper because they acknowledge who she is, not just how she looks. When you compliment a woman's character, effort, mindset, or values, you communicate that you're paying attention, that you appreciate her inner world, and that you see her as a person worth understanding. This kind of recognition builds trust, emotional intimacy, and long-term attraction. What makes personality compliments so powerful is that they affirm traits she has chosen and worked on, not traits she was simply born with. When you say something like, "I love how thoughtful you are," you always notice the small things. You highlight her emotional intelligence. When you admire her dedication, resilience, creativity, kindness, or sense of humor, you reinforce qualities she feels proud of. These compliments feel earned, so they land with much more impact. They also set you apart from others, because you're focusing on something meaningful rather than relying on generic flattery. In a world where people often rush past each other's deeper layers, being the person who sees beyond the surface creates a unique bond. Effective personality compliments also show that you are observant. You're tuned into her behavior, her choices, and the way she interacts with the world. If she comforts a friend, handles stress gracefully, or expresses passion about something she believes in, acknowledging specific moments shows authenticity. A woman can instantly tell the difference between a real compliment and one you're giving just to impress her. Genuine compliments feel grounded in something she has actually done. For example, saying, "I really admire how patient you were when things got frustrating earlier," demonstrates emotional awareness and maturity on your part, while also validating her actions. Another reason these compliments are so effective is that they deepen conversations. When you praise her personality, it naturally opens space for vulnerability. She feels safe to share more about herself, her experiences, dreams, fears, or things she's working on. This creates a dynamic where she starts associating you with being understood. That association is incredibly attractive because most women don't often encounter men who make them feel emotionally recognized. Finally, personality-based compliments show long-term interest. Anyone can admire her beauty, but noticing her strength, softness, ambition, compassion, or integrity communicates that you're paying attention to the kind of partner she is. It signals that you're connecting with her essence rather than just her appearance. And when she starts feeling seen for who she truly is, she becomes far more comfortable, open, and drawn to you emotionally. If appearance-based compliments spark initial attraction, then personality-based compliments build a foundation that makes her fall for you. 2. Compliments about her effort, not just the outcome. Complimenting a woman on her effort rather than just the outcome is one of the most powerful ways to make her feel genuinely seen, valued, and emotionally connected to you. Many people default to surface-level praise. "You look beautiful," "You're smart," or "You did great." But while these comments are nice, they don't create the deeper emotional impact that effort-based compliments do. When you acknowledge how she achieved something, her dedication, patience, creativity, discipline, resilience, or thoughtful planning, you show her that you're paying attention to the hidden layers of her personality, the parts most people overlook. Women naturally appreciate being recognized for more than just their appearance or the final results they produce. They want someone who understands the story behind their successes. So instead of simply saying, "You look great today," you might say, "I love how you put thought into your style. You always bring this unique energy with your choices." Rather than telling her, "That presentation was good," say, I could tell you put a lot of work into preparing that. You explained everything so clearly. These kind of comments build trust because they communicate that you're observant, emotionally intelligent, and sincerely interested in who she is, not just what she shows the world. Effort-based compliments also help her feel safe expressing her authentic self. When she realizes you notice the details, like how she tries to make people feel included, how she stays consistent with her goals, how she handles stress with grace, or how she keeps striving even when things are difficult, she associates you with emotional validation, a feeling that is rare and incredibly attractive. Complimenting effort also avoids the trap of praising only natural talents or physical traits, which can feel shallow or repetitive. Effort, on the other hand, is something she actively chooses. Acknowledging it reinforces her identity, her growth, and her inner strength. Plus, this style of compliment encourages deeper conversations because she'll often open up about the work she put in, the challenges she faced, or what motivated her, creating an opportunity for meaningful connection. Most importantly, effort-based compliments show that you're not just impressed by what she does, but by who she is while doing it. You're appreciating her mindset, her values, and her process. And when a woman feels like someone sees her inner world, her intentions, her struggles, her persistence, she feels understood on a level that makes her naturally draw closer. This kind of compliment isn't just flattery. It's emotional intimacy. When you make her feel valued for her effort, you're telling her, I notice you, I appreciate you, and I admire the way you move through life. And that is the kind of connection that makes a woman fall not just for your words, but for your presence. 3. Compliments that highlight how she makes you feel. Compliments that highlight how she makes you feel are among the most powerful forms of emotional connection because they express something deeper than admiration for her looks or skills. They reveal the experience she creates in your life. When you tell a woman how she makes you feel, you're letting her see her positive impact on you, which builds trust, intimacy, and a sense of meaningful influence. Unlike generic praise, these compliments are rooted in authenticity and vulnerability. Two things proven to make communication more compelling and memorable. For example, instead of saying you're nice, telling her, I feel so relaxed and understood when I talk to you communicates how her presence affects your emotional state. This kind of compliment shifts the focus from what she is to what she does, showing that she adds real value to your life. Compliments like these also help her feel emotionally safe because they're specific, personal, and grounded in genuine experience, not empty flattery. Saying, you make even stressful days feel lighter, or you make me excited to share things I normally keep to myself, tells her she is meaningful in a way that few people are. Women tend to connect deeply through emotional resonance. So when you show her that her energy changes your mood, perspective, or comfort level, it strengthens a bond between you. These compliments also show emotional maturity. You're tuned into your feelings and confident enough to express them. They avoid performance-based praise or overly romantic statements, and instead strike a balance between sincerity and subtle vulnerability. It's important, however, to make sure these compliments are truthful and naturally connected to the moment. Forced emotional statements can feel manipulative or insincere. Think of them as reflections rather than performances. You're not trying to impress her. You're simply articulating what's already happening inside you. Pay attention to the small emotional shifts she creates. Does she make you laugh effortlessly? Does she make conversation feel smoother? Does she bring out your playful side? Does she help you feel grounded or inspired? Turn those observations into simple, honest lines. For instance, you make conversations feel so easy, or I feel more confident around you, shows appreciation without exaggeration. These kind of compliments also help her understand which parts of her personality are influencing you, encouraging her to show those sides more often. Ultimately, highlighting how she makes you feel creates a feedback loop of emotional warmth. She feels valued for being herself, and you feel closer because you've expressed something meaningful. When used naturally and thoughtfully, these compliments deepen rapport, spark attraction, and build connection not through performance, but through genuine emotional honesty. For that, compliments that show you truly notice her. Noticing a woman deeply and expressing that awareness through genuine compliments is one of the most powerful ways to build connection, trust, and attraction, because it shows you are paying attention not just to what she looks like, but to who she is beneath the surface. When you compliment her in a way that reflects something uniquely hers, her habits, her strengths, her growth, the effort she puts into things, she feels seen in a world where most compliments women receive are generic, repetitive, or solely based on appearance. A compliment that shows true noticing might focus on the subtle things. The way her voice changes when she talks about something she loves, how thoughtfully she chooses her words, the quiet determination behind her goals, or the kindness she shows even when no one is watching. These types of compliments tell her she is valued not for what she presents externally, but for her mind, her energy, her character, and her emotional presence. They also demonstrate your emotional intelligence. You're not guessing, projecting, or trying to impress her. You're observing with sincerity and expressing appreciation without expectation. Compliments rooted in genuine noticing also help her relax, because she no longer feels the pressure to perform or pretend. She feels accepted as her real self. When you tell her you admire the resilience she brings to difficult days, or the way she tries to see the good in people even when it's hard, she realizes you notice what most people overlook. When you point out how her sense of humor is thoughtful rather than loud, or how her creativity shows in small decisions she doesn't expect anyone to care about, she understands that you're paying attention not to impress her, but because you actually enjoy seeing her. These compliments strengthen emotional intimacy because they reveal that you observe the world with depth and that you are genuinely curious about her inner world. They are never manipulative, exaggerated, or said to get something. They are simple truths that you articulate because they matter. And when she feels truly noticed, she becomes more open, expressive, and confident around you, because being seen for who she really is creates a bond that appearance-based compliments never could. Ultimately, the lesson is this: the best compliments come from attention, not imagination, from listening, not guessing, from appreciation, not flattery. When you notice the things she doesn't advertise, the effort she puts in, the changes she's making, the personality traits she's proud of, the struggles she carries quietly, you give her something rare, the feeling of being understood. And that feeling, more than charm or perfect words, is what makes a woman genuinely drawn to you. 5. Compliments that highlight her uniqueness. When it comes to making a woman feel genuinely seen, valued, and emotionally drawn to you, few things work better than compliments that highlight her uniqueness. These aren't the generic, overused lines that anyone could say to anyone else. They are thoughtful observations that show you've actually paid attention to who she is. A unique focused compliment creates a deeply personal connection because it acknowledges qualities that are rare, meaningful, and authentic. Instead of focusing only on her looks, which countless others may comment on, these compliments reach deeper. They touch her personality, her way of thinking, her energy, her values, her humor, her creativity, and the little quirks that set her apart. When a woman hears something about herself that feels specific and true, it triggers a powerful emotional response. She feels valued, not just admired, but understood, which is far more attractive. The key is to be observant. Notice the small details: how she talks when she's passionate, how she treats people, the way her mind works when she explains something, the unusual combinations of traits she carries that make her unlike anyone you've met. When you compliment these things, you're saying, "I see the real you, not just the surface." For example, instead of saying, "You're beautiful," you might say, "I really love the way your confidence shows up in your smile. You have this calm brightness that's so rare." Or instead of "You're smart," you could say, "I love how your mind works." You make connections in conversations that most people would never notice. These types of compliments feel deeper because they reflect something genuine you've noticed, not something you memorized from a script. Women are extremely perceptive about authenticity. They can sense instantly when a compliment is real versus when it's just flattery. That's why the best unique focused compliments come from observing her behavior, not forcing lines. Another powerful angle is to compliment a unique combination of traits she has. Maybe she's ambitious yet gentle, playful yet disciplined, confident yet humble. When you reflect these combinations back to her, she feels understood in a way most people never bother to understand her. And when someone feels that kind of emotional recognition, attraction naturally grows. The final element is sincerity in tone. Delivery matters. Say it calmly, with a relaxed voice, not in a way that seeks approval. A compliment should feel like a quiet truth, not a performance. Compliments that highlight her uniqueness work because they validate her identity, not just her appearance. They build trust, emotional intimacy, and a magnetic connection. When a woman feels that you appreciate what makes her one of a kind, she starts to associate you with a feeling of being understood. And that's one of the most powerful foundations for romantic chemistry. 6. Compliments that empower her confidence. Compliments that empower her confidence go far beyond simple flattery. They make her feel seen, valued, and secure in who she is. When you shift from surface-level praise to genuine recognition of her qualities, strengths, and growth, you create a deeper emotional impact that lasts. Women often remember how someone made them feel, not the exact words they said, which is why an empowering compliment highlights something meaningful. Start by noticing the things she puts effort into, whether it's her compassion, her work ethic, or the way she handles challenges. Saying something like, "I really admire how you stay calm under pressure," shows that you appreciate her resilience, not just her appearance. Compliments on character signal respect, which builds trust and warmth. Likewise, acknowledging her intelligence or creativity. "Your perspective always makes me think," makes her feel value for her mind, not just her looks. Many women crave recognition for their abilities because society often focuses on physical appearance. When you praise her thoughtfulness, her communication skills, or her ambition, it reinforces her self-worth in a deeper way. It's also powerful to compliment her growth. People evolve constantly, and when you show that you notice her progress, such as improving her confidence, pursuing her goals, or building healthier habits, you're telling her, "I see you becoming someone even stronger." These types of compliments encourage her to keep going, especially during moments of doubt. Affirming her emotional strength can be just as meaningful. Statements like, "I admire how you stay true to yourself," or "You have a way of making people around you feel understood," allow her to feel appreciated for her authenticity and empathy. Empowering compliments fuel emotional connection because they recognize the parts of her identity she may not always believe in. However, sincerity is the key. A compliment only empowers her if it's truthful, specific, and said with intention. Generic phrases can feel empty, but when you reference something real, an action she took, a moment you witnessed, or a quality you genuinely admire, it becomes meaningful. Avoid praise that puts pressure on her or compares her to others. Instead, focus on her individuality and the positive effect she has on the world around her. These compliments do more than boost her mood. They reinforce her inner confidence. Over time, she begins to associate you with emotional safety, motivation, and encouragement. When a woman feels uplifted by someone's presence, she naturally becomes more open, more trusting, and more affectionate. Empowering her with your words is not manipulation. It's appreciation rooted in respect. And when you consistently express gratitude for who she is, not what she can offer you, your connection strengthens in a genuine and lasting way. The right compliment doesn't just make her smile, it helps her believe in herself a little more.